What up, Jip? Austin? Double up. Oh, God, my kids are fucking crazy. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Good morning, good morning.
New Febreze Trash Odor Fighter.
Oh. What up, Rua? What up, Barbie? Pop? Jackie, what's going on? What am I looking at? I'm looking at futures right now. We're probably going to go up to 3. Oh, what was the number I was looking at? 380. What's up, Bretta? $380 what up is what I was looking at. Yo, what up? Yo, I appreciate it, Corey. What up? What up? How is your day going? Hopefully you're having a good day. What's up, Prophet P? Morning, Robert. What's up, Jasmine? Oh, I built that strategy? Yeah. Dude, the one thing I'll tell you about it, like, I don't know where you got it from. I don't know where you got it from. But, like, obviously someone just used that recently. I'll bring it on the day. Like, someone probably used that recently and was like, yo, I just made a ton. Like, so this is the best I got it to right now. $22,000 in the last year, but the max drawdown's massive. If you go like the last 90 days, the drawdown's not terrible, but like ever since the end of June, you've been trending down. But somebody probably used this in May and June and made a ton of money and started telling everybody about it. And since then, I hate to say it, but it's been a loser. I'm not saying every trade's a losing trade, but it hasn't been great. I'm just wondering what's it look like on ES. No. I would say that, I mean, I don't want to down anything, but what happens is somebody uses a strategy and it works for a period of time. And then they tell a lot of people about it. And then it sucks. Have you heard of that new? No. I'll be honest with you, I don't follow anyone that's new. I've been doing this for ages. I wake up, my sole focus is to make as much money in the market as possible. I get done, I go hang out with my family. I'll be super honest. I do the same thing every day. I'm looking for the same thing every day. Trading is actually pretty boring. What makes it fun is hanging out with you guys. Otherwise, It's pretty fucking boring. Have I tried coding his? I don't know. Unless somebody tells me something, I'm not going to go just do it. You know, like Jasmine laid something out that she wanted me to make for her. I think I made it right here. What if I try the 8 p.m. open? What is that? That's 6. I'll just do 8 to. Yeah, I don't. See, I made it so you can have a continuation model, fade back to the wick. I even made it so it goes like you can test going past. I even tried doing other things to make it better. I don't think this is a good one. I know people use it. DBT uses it. They, like he said, he calls it the devil mark. They use it in conjunction with other things. So I believe what some of those guys trade is they'll look on like the hourly chart for something like that, where it has no wick at all, and basically they'll look for an entry back to it, but they won't just automatically get in it. They won't just automatically get in it. You know what I mean? They'll like here's one, but like they won't just automatically get in. They'll look for something, you know, a reason. Yeah, I think what's messing it up, if I had to guess, is probably your entry is like no matter what, when that candle closes, you get in. And you can still be getting continuation the other way. So like just getting in no matter what is probably not the best entry. You know, I would probably look for an actual entry. Like, I don't know what it would be because you're only on 5-minute candles. You're only, you know, I came up with a strategy. It's semi-profitable. I was going to send it to you. I was just something basic. Send it to me. I'll look at it all. I will take a look at all of it. I tell people, tell me what you want. I'll build it, and you can look, see that it's working correctly, and then dude, I seen some guy make money just playing freaking 8 EMA crosses on a 38 crosses to 34 EMA. I mean, there's probably thousands of strategies people use to make money. I'll just tell you this little one tidbit. I went through Twitter and YouTube a couple weeks back and grabbed everyone's strategy that I could find. And I wrote their strategy in Claude and made sure that it tested correctly to their video. And all these guys that were making a ton of money, their strategies were not very good on the long term. Just an FYI, just telling you how it is. You may think it is, it's not. That's the honest truth about it. Just a tidbit. Just the tip. I'm just providing you the tip. The majority of the time, it is not. It is not good. A lot of times, yeah, it's not good. I don't want to discourage anybody, but I'm just telling you, it's a lot of times it's not good. The problem, if I don't know, if you have anybody's win rate who's like 35%, that means you lose, call it 6 or 7 times out of 10. Technically speaking, you can lose 11 times in a row. That's not a strategy you want for a prop firm account, because even if you're risking $200 a trade, you can blow your account on a strategy like that. I wouldn't do that. It was simple for him. Let me see. Code. So what happens is on a lot of strategies, they work for a very small amount of time and then it kind of fizzles out with the market. There's certain things that you got to change with it. You got to change TPs, you got to change stop losses. Sometimes you got to change a lot. ATR changes. You got to remember, strategies that work when we were at 12,000 is probably going to be a little bit different at 29,000 with regards to TP and stop losses. Yeah, I mean, shit's just going to change. I don't even know what this is. Obviously, I didn't save the defaults. Let me see if I still have this one. I'm trying to think what this was. I forget what this strategy was, to be honest with you. I don't even know if this was good. I don't actually know if this was good or not. I forget. I just saw this. I was like, let me just throw it on the chart real quick. We're going to open in 20 minutes. Well, yeah, I was just talking strategy. Jasmine asked me to make her something yesterday, and I made it. And like, it was good for a bit, and then it just kind of faded off. I think there's just an entry issue problem. I think once that gets fixed, it'd probably be fine. There's a lot of these strategies that work. For the whole day of the opening trading hours, it says it takes 18 trades. I mean, that's solid. Do you want me to run it? If you tell me what it is, I can build it and put it in Ninja or something. So what I do is I build them in TradingView, make sure it works, and then I optimize it in NinjaTrader. Oh, that's right. You have the code for it, Jasmine. That's right. All right. All right. I forgot I sent it to you. Yeah, that's the easiest way. What up, Mick? Yeah, I mean, listen, if you got something, I'll build it. I'll send you the code. I mean, but you trade discretionary? Not really. I could set my strategy in trading view and leave. 1000%. 1000%. I don't need to be in front of the computer. Let me set this stuff up. Sucks that you have to set up Ninja Trader every day. Like, come on, man. Like, 2026. I gotta fucking set this up every day. I think we're gonna go up another 100 and something points. I think we're gonna continue up. I knew that was gonna fucking happen. Knew that was gonna. Every time I fucking set up my ninja like that. Oh, fuck me, man. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, I'm back. Cool. What up, Killian? Yeah, I mean, listen, at open, it's going to do whatever it's going to do. And then I like when we dip at open and then we rip. To me, that's the best trades. Oh, damn, Micron is up a fuck ton. Damn, PLTR's up a ton. DigitalOcean had earnings today. It looks like they're down a little bit, but I wrote 95s. I'm going to collect my 120 bucks. Just collect. Fucking just collect all day. All day, every day. Collect, 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 collect. Shit's wild. I need to set up this little copy trader. Little chart trader. I didn't realize that they had the exit all button in Ninja. That shit is. I should tell people about that. That was like life changing. I found that shit out. I was like, whoa. $53. Just looking. I'm just kind of looking real fast at something. Oh, what up, Viper? What up, Schulster? His name is Ray. Hey, Cove, I sent it to you on Discord in a DM. You slid into my DMs? Message requests. Accept DM. Oh, I got... All right, I'd like to test this. All right. I'd like you to test on the first 5-minute candle mark, the top and the low of the candle when the candle closes. You'd place a trade, either a buy in the break or the sell in the breakout of the first. So each hour, the first 5-minute candle, if it breaks the top of the first 5-minute candle, you go long. If it breaks the bottom of the first 5-minute candle, you go short. Is that what you want to do? Oh, shit. Is that what you want to do? First 5-minute candle of every hour, you wait for the first 5 minutes and then take the break. I can make that happen. Oh. I can make that happen. Let me just fucking, I'm just setting up this thing. 44. You know what? Hold on 1 second. I'm not even going to do that shit. Oh my God, bro. I was fucking long before. Holy shit. What just happened?
For now and see what's going on here. According to Al Arabiya, saying that an announcement is expected regarding the reopening of Strait of Hormuz. So Al Arabiya saying high-ranking official told them an announcement is expected regarding the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. Just a little bit of movement towards the upside on the S&P 500. Just a tad bit. Slight decline on the Dixie, but it's starting to reverse that now. WTI didn't do that much. Just a tiny little move down. Again, starting to reverse that a little bit here.
Oh, that's interesting. I wonder what's going to happen. Dude, I'm telling you, I think this is going all the way up to, what did I say? Dude, it's going all the way up to like 3 something.
Also, Al Arabiya source says that communications are underway at full tilt and progress has been made regarding its Strait of Hormuz.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Let's see if they just pop this.
It's further detail in regards to the timeline then of when the announcement would be made. Again, it's according to Al Arabiya source, saying the highly reliable, saying the high-level source for Al Haddad now says the announcement of arrangements for the full reopening of the Strait of Hormuz may be within hours or tomorrow. So just kind of reiterating what Besson has already said earlier on in the day.
Listen, if it goes,
just
it
coming
goes.
from
If it
a
doesn't
high-level
go, it doesn't
source
go.
from Al Haddad.
I think the risk to me is worth it. Because if they just fucking straight send this shit, they just straight send it. If they don't, they don't.
Seeing a further move down on WTI for the back of the headline, S&P 500 continuing to reverse that little move made towards the upside for now. Dixie continuing to move further down off of the back of those headlines. Again, according to Al Arabiya, an announcement is expected regarding the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, according to high-ranking source speak to Al Arabiya. And full communications are underway at full tilt, and progress has been made regarding the Strait of Hormuz.
See,
And then
technically,
finally,
I think it's going
an
to hit
announcement
380.
will be made within
So-
hours or tomorrow regarding the arrangements for fully reopening the Strait of Hormuz.
Nope. I'm going to get stopped. Here we go.
Order
Stopped.
filled.
That's why I don't trade fucking pre-market. But my final target's going to be like 3... I think it's like 386 is what I'm looking for. I'm okay with that. Because if that went, it would be worth it.
Wells Fargo's CEO says that they see paychecks rising faster than inflation. Just keep an eye on the markets here. Treasuries extending in advance as oil falls to session low. Again, off the back of those Al Arabiya comments that came through.
Yo, you guys are here?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, how long have you been there for?
Just a minute.
Yeah, like a minute or two.
Also seeing bunds extending gains as oil falls. 5-year yield down 5 basis
You were
points to about
concentrating on taking
3.11%.
that L.
It's going to go, too.
So it's a slight risk on sentiment at the moment. Again, not really a huge amount of movement going on. Majority of that came from Besant earlier on in the morning. But I'm just seeing a
it's
further
gonna
move towards the
fucking go.
upside on the S&P
Solid
500.
chance.
A little bit of a risk on
I said
reaction
solid
to those
chance.
headlines.
I think it's going to go all the way up to 380 something.
Yeah.
Order
A
filled.
little micros. A couple
Yeah.
micros.
I'm not in anything yet.
I thought it was going to go to 3 something before the news even happened. That was kind of where I think we're going to. So I'm bull bias going into today anyways.
Yeah, I was bull bias last night. We had that little drop, and then we just freaking
I'll probably
ripped.
lose this though. It's probably going to get. I should just
Oil
fucking get
falling
out.
to intraday
Order
low.
filled. Order
filled.
Trading near $80 a barrel.
It's 4 minutes to open. I'll just fucking wait. Get all my money back.
Yeah, I'm just in a few micros. I'm not too worried about it.
It's going to just fucking rip it open.
My stop's at 220.
Kind of where I mean, that's where I was just at.
Hold that 1 minute fair value gap. That's what I was thinking.
really want to stop out at like 188. I'd love to see us dump and then go, but if this breaks this little trend here, I'll just fucking take it. I'm going to be so annoyed if I don't take this. I'll be annoyed if this just rips straight up. I'm looking for this. Where's my... I think we're going to hit like...
Did we take anything?
What is that? 362 is where I think we're going to go to.
Oh, we did not.
I think we can see 30,000 today.
30,000?
Yeah. Just rip.
That's not that far off.
No, we're not.
That's true. Well, I got 2 minutes. If this starts
Fucking
According to
pre-market trades,
IRNA,
though.
citing Qatar's
Well,
Ministry of
I
Foreign
hate
Affairs,
trading
efforts are
pre-market.
underway to resume
I
negotiations between
absolutely
Iran
hate
and the US.
pre-market.
All right, I'm out.
Absolutely despise pre-market.
Also, a reminder at the bottom of the hour, we get the Canadian manufacturing PMI prior 53. We also get the market and open imbalance data as well. One minute to go now.
Just fucking dump it at open. I might have to buy at 82. I mean, it comes down there. I'm
We'll
gonna
get the
grab
Canadian data out of the way with.
All right.
Ten seconds.
It's gonna be one of those days.
I'm watching. If this thing just starts ripping, I'm gonna get in and
53.5, 53.5. Market on open. MLS S&P 500 sell side 114 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 1.5 million. Dow 30 sell side 11.7 million. Mag 7 sell side 20.7 million. S&P 500 hitting intraday record high for the first time since June.
I'm gonna grab one.
Order filled.
See if it just fucking goes.
Order
Jeez,
filled.
look at that.
US stocks extending gains. Dow Jones up 1.43%. So I said the S&P 500 hitting intraday record high, last up 0.5%.
That order filled was a sim thing I was testing out. I don't
We
know
have
if I'm
posted
gonna-
out the Canadian manufacturing PMI July report on the feed for you to read through. Palantir shares jumping 19% at the open, the most since April 2025.
Man, I think this goes to 362. I feel like we're too close to not do it.
Yeah.
See Merck shares up 1.1% after Q2 revenue beat. Also, Caterpillar shares opening 12% higher, the most since late October.
I'm just gonna wait. Oh man, I'm up some good fucking money right now.
Ah, 300.
Order filled.
Brent crude falling
Nice.
below
Order filled.
$80 for the first
Wow.
time since mid-July.
I copy traded for the first time.
Again, off of the back
You got
of
it.
Besson's comments
Hell yeah.
and the Al Arabiya headlines we
Hell
had seen come
fucking
through.
yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck
That
yeah.
went-
How much
that
you
went
make?
without a hitch. That was perfect. Woo.
I think she said she did 300.
Yeah, 303 accounts.
Jeez, Marie.
So that was $900.
Yeah. Yo, see, PLTR puts fucking
I was a
paid.
little nervous. Copy trade.
NASDAQ 100 opening 1.5% higher.
Degen mode activated.
Seeing shares of McDonald's shares up 2% after Q2 profit beat.
Wow. That was really good. Okay.
Oh, I was wondering why my DOCN hasn't gone anywhere. They just haven't opened. There's no bid and ask. Look at that shit. I'm so annoyed. So annoyed. That's my target right there. Fucking unbelievable, bro.
That's nice.
Yeah, I'm not in.
Question is, will ES make new all-time highs today?
That's it right there. We're at 68 hit. Boom. Done.
For what?
That
Oh,
that was
thank you.
That was the target.
We are less than 20 points, or right at 20 points away from ES making all-time highs.
Fuck me, man. I should have bought on that dip at open.
Yeah, I should have bought in a lot more accounts on that dip at open.
This thing might just keep going. Fucking so stupid.
I told everyone last night on the stream I was bull biased today.
Oh, it sucks.
On to the next trade, bro. On to the next trade.
Yeah, I mean, you just gotta sit here and fucking wait a long time at this point. Jesus.
We'll get our pullback. Don't you worry. Because I want to re-enter as well.
The Dow hits intraday record high, last up 1.2%.
I cleaned up in options land. Everything I was in hit.
Yeah. What were you in?
Novo Nordisk, NBIS, MU, Hood, HIMS, DOCN, Bloom Energy, Shop.
No, nice.
Still got to hold, what's today? Tuesday? Still got to hold some of this to Friday, but it's all gonna hit. It's all gonna hit.
Do you do weeklies? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I'll do weeklies. Like, so there's a lot of earnings. Like DOCN had earnings. Novo Nordisk had poor phase 3 clinical trial that came out, but it makes up like almost no % of their revenue. So it was an overreaction. MU was getting slaughtered. I literally caught the bottom. What else did I do? PLTR had earnings. I did that. Yo, DBT shit. Fuck, man, that was crazy.
S&P 500 information technology sector hits 2-week high, last up
Jeez.
2.2%.
I feel like I should take just a little piece right here.
What, long?
Yeah, just for this thing to just keep going.
I would like to see it go 320. Front month. We come down to 314. That's a spot. I'll probably grab some. Things really moving around though. Got my finger right here to buy.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just trying to get back to green. That's all I'm doing is trying to get these accounts back to green because they're down $150, and now they're not.
Boom.
I feel like if you could scalp your way out of a loss, and then when the actual trade setup hits, you obviously do it. It helps. I just added Ray. I don't see Ray in the chat in Discord. I went to just at you, Ray. Are you still in here? I don't know. I was gonna add you.
I don't know if he is or not. I haven't seen Ray in Discord in a long time.
Yeah, I don't see it. You posted it. Oh, there he is. DBT posted. All right, it's the last message. I responded to him. No, man. You're never going to make all the trades. Marie's out there having a smoke right now. Trying to calm down.
It's like when she hit NFP for the first time with us.
Oh, yeah.
Can you guys not hear me?
You're on mute. Now
Okay,
I hear you.
Restart it.
How's the smoke? Good?
Yeah.
All right, Cove. I have another freaking little weird trade for you to test.
Can't be weirder than the one that I have.
It's the 7:45 candle before Asia open.
Yeah.
So weird.
That candle. Just that candle.
Just that candle? You're gonna have
Just
to
that.
fucking message me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a message me type candle.
Bro, it's literally, it's probably reliable for like 10 or 15 points.
What do you want it to do?
Night.
Like break whatever the 744 candle is?
The thing is, I haven't tested it yet. So I was going to look at it this week to see, one, how many times it goes long versus short.
No, that I wouldn't play. Like, I'm not randomly doing it. It's more of a when it breaks the prior candle type deal.
It's either it is a break though, because you're gonna get the volatility for some reason, fucking wild.
I know you running into 8 o'clock, and then like at 8 o'clock,
Spot
it changes.
gold rising nearly 1%.
It's that 745 candle, just that one candle.
I need to pull back right here, and I'm going long for the or break to the top.
But it's kind of like the drift. I want to know if I should get in early.
Dude, that type of stuff you're gonna have to manually back test. Like,
I know, because that's what I'm fucking prepared to do.
Yeah, I'm not around at that time to do it, so I'm not. I mean, you're talking about like at least an hour or two of like 7:45. What are we doing here? Like, I thought you want to like break previous candle. Yeah,
no,
oil's
I'm gonna put it in my tester and have it just go through the data.
Yeah, I mean that's an easy way to do it.
But it was wild. I called it last night. Like perfect.
I'm gonna just take off. What is it? It's like it's just an algo candle.
It's just a weird algo candle.
I'm gonna take this.
Order filled.
I will add right here. Oh my god. The same stop loss though.
Order filled.
Nope. I do think we'd make a new high though.
I see everyone talking about the nano contracts coming out.
Yeah. Who's trading those?
That?
Order filled.
Is that
Order filled.
Yep.
Order filled.
I mean, it gives you a better chance to, if you have really low drawdown, it gives you even more of a chance, I guess. Hell yeah, futures, $800. Not bad, not bad.
Dude, there you go. It took out the fucking orb high right there. I'm out of my 5 points, by the way. I just took a would have I got like 5. I didn't even get 5 points. I got like 3 points. And now that I have that fucking button, I'm able to just pull the fucking ripcord, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, the cancel all.
Yeah, so like I locked in like $60 on that in like 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts, 5 accounts. Like it was too risky. It was too risky how it broke it and everything. I mean, you would have got you would have got 5 points, but I mean, that was risky.
What is it that fucking Brett says? No risk.
No Rari. Yeah, but look at it. I would be down fucking $400 right now, shitting my pants.
That's what that fucking big ass stop loss is for.
Order filled.
Volatility is not as high as I thought it would be.
Order filled.
Yo, Reese, stream was good. Stream was good last night.
End up getting stopped out of this. Yeah. Can anyone say I live 5 minis at a time? Nothing else matters. Yo, I live 5 minis at a time. During that time, nothing else matters. Not the mortgage, not the cars, not the team. For those 5 minis, for those 5 points or less, I'm free.
God damn it.
That's what the lizard brain thinks. I'm free.
Dude, it's... I should exit this.
Oh man, I watched that new Star Wars movie last
Order
night
filled.
Yeah.
after stream.
Order
Pretty
filled.
good.
That's pretty good.
I didn't even know they had a new Star Wars movie.
I didn't either.
It was the Mandalorian movie.
Oh, yeah. This is going to
I
just
didn't know
fucking...
that. I didn't
this
even
is
know
gonna
that came
go.
out until after the fact.
Let's see, if this doesn't go and it goes down, this is going to be a great fucking looking short. I just... kind of looks like it's going to go.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm in the
We're gonna
wrong
make some
fucking
coffee.
account.
Order filled. Order filled.
10 minutes
Jesus.
ago now until we get the US JOLTS job openings forecast is for 7 spot
Order filled.
535 million. Prior was 7 spot
Order filled.
4 million, with a range of 7.65 million to a range of 7 million.
Haters
US
gonna be like,
factory
"Oh,
was
you red
month-to-month
today."
forecast
You red
0.2%,
today.
minus 1.3%, with a range of
Eat shit,
0.7% to
haters.
minus 1%. US core durable goods revised unchanged with the prior 0.6%, and durable goods revised unchanged with the prior at 0.3%.
Oh, man. Just another fucking day. Just another day. I was waiting to get a hater in here to be like, "Oh, I see you're red today. I see you're red today." Oh, shit. Shit. Well, this is what we're looking at.
Nasdaq 100 rises more than 2%, the highest since July 15th.
Haters. Man, I can secure Apex payout. I told myself I'm not going to use that account because I'm so close to a payout, unless it's like the setup. And sure enough, sure as shit, I used it.
Did you get the payout?
No, I'm up 144 in it today. I need $380 more.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, I'm just gonna only use it for. I'm only gonna use it for a solid setup. I just wanted to get it back green again. I don't like looking at red on my screen personally.
Yeah, same here.
They don't want the smoke. We haven't got any haters in here in a while. It's probably hard to come in and say anything. Did you copy trade that in a PA account?
No.
Wait till you do that.
I didn't quite trust it yet, but after a few days, if it keeps not having problems, I will.
I can be your fake hater. See, like now I'm kind of like, I'll just fucking wait till I get a really great setup here. Let me see if I can get some of these evals over or something like that. I can't believe I just didn't trust my gut this morning and say we're going to 368. Just buy like 2 micros and hold it.
Yeah. It's hard to do.
You just got to say fuck it is really what you got to say on the accounts. News in 7 minutes. I'm waiting for my next gen live account to come. They claim I'm getting it today. Or not today, this week, but who the fuck knows? Come on, give me a dump or something. I think it's literally just going to come down in this zone and continue up.
Five minutes ago now to get the US JOLTS data forecast 7.4535 million, prior 7.594 million. US factory orders month-to-month forecast 0.2%, prior minus 1.3%. Core durable goods revised unchanged from the prior 0.6%, and durable goods revised forecast 0.3% unchanged from the prior.
Man, that's a rough one to long, like right here. I'll do it in this eval, but I don't know, man. This is a rough one. Why is my stop so freaking small?
Order filled. Order filled.
It's going to go right through, or if this goes right through, ES isn't even close to it. I would say I'd be interested in playing ES down. Well, I got stopped out, but are you shorting this? Oh, Marie's gone. I call these trend markers and Rue Baker. Don't stand on the track. Yeah. Dude, I love that movie. I mean, I've backed off of using all my. I'm literally trading one eval right now. I'm waiting for like a real setup. My setup is going to be a pullback down here is what I really want to see. See, people ask how I manage risk. This is how I manage risk. I'm no longer copy trading. I'm no longer even using a funded account. I literally have just an eval.
Order
That
filled.
I'm just going to scalp until we come down to my zone. I just don't want to really short it in like all my accounts. I just don't think the quality of trade is there to do that. Because someone's like, oh, well, if you think it's going to come down there, why don't you short it? Because the quality of trade just isn't there for me. With the news out and everything else, like this can easily just reverse, and I don't want to get fucked on that. So I'll just use an eval. If you don't have an eval or you don't want to risk it, then 100% sit it out. You don't have to trade. I have like no drawdown in this account. Cool. I'm going to get stopped. If I get stopped, I'm using this for non-farm payroll anyways. That's how I look at things. If I get stopped, non-farm payroll, here we come on Friday. Damn, I got $69 for non-farm payroll. I prefer using micros over minis because I'm copy trading normally. Like here, I'll just go, let me see how many I'm doing at a time now. So I'm copy trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 accounts. So
1 minute ago now.
when I buy
the US job openings
or
data.
I go up to 6, that's like 3 minis to 6 minis. You know, oh, look at that. I literally got stopped at the fucking top. Oh my God. But yeah, so I got stopped at the very, very top. What are the cheap? I mean, Apex accounts. I only use really Apex accounts or accounts that have no drawdown. That's crazy that this happened.
10 seconds.
Oh, you got news in 10 seconds, so just watch yourself.
$7.359 million, $7.359 million lower than the forecast of $7.454 million. Factory orders month to month minus 0.3%, minus 0.3% lower than forecast of 0.2%. Core durable goods revised 0.7% higher than forecast of 0.6%. Durable goods revised 0.5% higher than forecast of 0.3%.
But anyways, yeah. The cheapest accounts are Apex. Apex are the best ones for
seeing prior revision for factory orders, prior revised to minus 1.1% from the original prior of minus 1.3%.
The trailing, the new
also,
Apex,
Jobs job openings prior revised to 7.537 million from the original prior 7.94 million.
Voice news disconnected.
So basically, like the new Apex accounts versus the old. The old ones, the activation fee is like $50 higher. But if you're not going to go after a big payout, I would use the new accounts because the activation fee is going to save you like $40. So I would go that route. And they have no MAE rule either. But what was I going to say about it? There's more drawdown in the old accounts by $500. But oh man, this guy just threw me off track. What I was going to say.
contain a renewed conflict with Houthi militants through behind-the-scenes diplomacy, according to people familiar with the
Yeah, what I
matter,
was gonna say.
in a bid to prevent clashes with the Iran-backed group hurting its oil industry and economy. The kingdom has held talks with Yemen-based Houthis via Omani mediators and is still preparing military options in case diplomacy fails, according to the people. Just to give some context then on what's already happened, you had Riyadh that conducted limited airstrikes on Houthi positions for 2 straight days in late July, but it is not thought to have done so again as it tries to find a diplomatic resolution with the Islamic organization, which controls most of Yemen's population. US Secretary of State Rubio says there's been progress made in talks with Iran to reopen the Strait of Hormuz.
So, anyways, yeah, I forget what I was going to say about the new Apex accounts versus old Apex accounts. I have to tell you if it's trash later. Post it in Discord. I'll take a look. Oh.
We have posted out the JOLTS and US factory orders reports on the feed for you to read through.
I always get the 5-pack because it's buy 4, get the 5th free. Same thing when I do Tradeify accounts. You save 25% off if you get 5. Kind of the same deal.
Rubio says nothing is final on Hormuz and hoping agreement will happen very shortly.
Tradeify is buy 4, basically get 1 free. Oh man, oh man, oh man. This is getting shady up here. Come on. I'm going to need some type of pullback here, to be honest, or a consolidation or something. Yo, where's Sean? Marie locked Sean up. He's not allowed to come out. Come on. Is this thing dumping? Just give me a little dump. See, these are the 50% lines of the orb and the IB. So I would like to come back down somewhere on these lines. That's typically what I'm looking for, but I don't know if we're going to get it. Man, I'm just going to start fucking playing, even if it's pre-market. I should have been in with a stop at 183 and fucking would have made bank, bro. Yo, you passed your eval, you passed your account today. You are funded.
And Rubio stopped speaking.
Oh, Rubio's speaking now. Come on. Jeez. This thing's just crank-a-lanking. Just straight cranking.
UK government says Gatwick is open second runway as government wins legal challenge.
I feel like that's the big thing. You get up early and just kind of wait till you get solid setups and not do anything fucking stupid. What up, DBT? Took $50 on 20 accounts. Now I'm waiting for the pullback. Yeah. Listen, you're up. You don't have to do anything. That's what's great about this. Is you don't have to do anything. Like, I think people who gave yes, yo, ES is going crazy earlier. But I think people feel the need to like, I got to get in. It's like, you don't. That's what's great about this. Just wait. Just got to wait.
What?
I'll tell you after the phone call. But
My phone call?
I'll tell you after this.
That?
Yeah. Don't worry. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm thinking. Come on, pull back. I'm telling you, man. I would love to see us come back over
So
here.
just keep an eye out on the sectors then in the S&P
Come on.
500. Information technology, the strongest, up by 2.87%.
Oh, you know what's today?
And energy, the weakest, being
SpaceX.
down by 1.65%.
Dude, SpaceX earnings and AMD. Ooh, earnings whisper is down? Wow. Earnings calendar. Wow.
What? What's wow?
Earnings whisper has been down all morning for me.
Oh shit.
Dude, SpaceX reports today. AMD reports today.
Yeah. That's gonna be interesting.
Yeah, I think SpaceX is gonna take an absolute shit.
Could see that. What happened to Marie?
I don't know if she just went away. Am I gonna play AMD? No. AMD's too high right now because if I get caught in bad earnings with AMD, I'll never see these levels again. I'll forget about a bag holder. I'm going to be a community member of AMD.
I mean, you're a fucking community member of PayPal.
Yeah, and it cost me $40,000, bro. You ever lose 40 grand on something like that? Doesn't feel great.
Did it ever bounce back?
Order filled.
No, bro. I got my dick kicked in for 40. I think it was like 45.
No, I'm talking about did PayPal ever bounce back?
Nah. I took an absolute fucking dick kicking.
Good old PayPal.
Yo, it took me a little bit to get that money back too, by the way. I wasn't too pleased about that.
Nasdaq extend gains last up 2.1%.
That's like when everyone sees like the wins. But you know what it feels like losing like 45,000?
Fucking crazy.
But you know, if you're not okay with that, then you can't be
Order filled.
Then you shouldn't
Order
risk it.
filled.
No risk, no Rari.
Order
No
filled.
risk, no Rari.
Oh man.
Dude, that was a fucking bath. I haven't taken a bath. Like, listen, I've lost 5,000-10,000 on stuff, but
Rubio, speaking to reporters now, says Iran and Oman are
I
making
dug in
progress in
pretty deep
talks.
on PayPal.
But we'll see if we can find a video and we'll pop it on the feed for you shortly if we do find one.
I obviously had a 6-figure position to PayPal.
I know you were PayPal Cove.
I was not pleased with that. I was writing to collect on that too, and I still lost that much money. Let me see something. I was wondering what my top gainers are. Zeta, Reddit. Damn. I just started writing MU puts just recently, and I'm already up $2,700 on them. I literally only started like 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
I'm back.
Dude, we went out for drinks.
My phone died. My phone died.
I figured you went out and you were like
Celebrating.
Yes. If those were 3 funded, I feel like we wouldn't see you today. Marie's gone for the day. What's up, Danny? Yeah, Zell's good. A lot of people don't have Zell, though. Let's see if I can pass an account. I'd like to see a dip here, though, prior to this IB high being formed, to be honest.
Be right back again.
Dude, Perdita just sent out a fucking email that says instant funding accounts were intentionally designed without consistency rule. This made them among the most straightforward accounts. Unfortunately, the structure has been exploited in ways never intended for. Traders are coordinating groups and multiple accounts with sole purpose of reaching the simulated profit target as quickly as possible. And then getting a payout and then repeating the same process. Yo, if you pull out more than $500, your shit's going to be reviewed. Perdita is great, but they're fucking expensive. Just an FYI. There's no reason to be bearish right now. I mean, what would be your reasoning? I'm just curious. What would be your reasoning to be bearish?
Order filled.
I'm just seeing if we're gonna ride this shit. Just keep riding it. I'm only in an eval. I'm not in any significant position here. This is a 1 eval type trade. Bounce at the no. Bounce right there. Nope. Um, Yeah, listen, I'm not putting a real trade on until we come down. I do think we take out the IB highs. Marie, are you in anything? Oh, Marie's on mute. Oh, by the way, we're doing, yeah, I'll just post this in the freaking chat. We are doing a Trader's Launch giveaway today.
US stocks extending gain, S&P 500 up 1% now.
I thought the point was to make money. Make bank, bro. Give me a fucking, like, give me a real pullback. Like a real pullback. Come, like, yeah, dump this
Also
shit.
seeing the Nasdaq 100 climbing 2.2%.
I needed to get away from the highs. Come on. Come on. Oh, what, per dia? It's just so crazy. There are people that are doing that, though. Like, there's groups of traders that are basically coordinating, like, buys and sells to make money and basically scam the firms out of cash. Dude, there's people who are streaming that are doing it with their friends behind the scenes to show you fucking profits. Yo. Did you see what I made in fucking Grok? Let's see if I got this shit. My God, am I gonna... The fuck? I can't even add. Here we go. Well, this is the dip I was looking for. Come on. Is it going to just hold 500? Who's on here? Is this Marie or Sean?
I'm here.
Ah.
Is Sean here?
Yo, I made a video of the average person that the average off-stream moneymaker. Let's see if...
Are we rich off your prop gains? No. Those are my off-stream hedged gains, just to show payouts.
Yeah.
Are we rich off your prop gains? No. Those are my off-stream hedged gains, just to show payouts.
Yo, AI is going to be great for the workforce. Then there's me making this. Dude, when they make the money off stream.
Yeah.
So fucking ridiculous. The odds are we're going back up. This would be the spot to bounce.
Yeah, I'm looking for a signal.
I don't understand why I can't.
Order filled.
I don't understand why I can't drag. I'm gonna have to hit up.
You were having that problem yesterday too, weren't you?
Mm-hmm. I got stopped out. I'm not even looking. Fucking. Yo, I'm gonna take a screenshot and just say like, why can't I drag? Oh, look at that shit. I think it's gonna go. We basically held this 5-minute FVG. I'm just.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. I should have waited until 10:30. But let's see. Now I gotta hit fucking support up. I'm gonna lose as I'm hitting support up. Just to fucking make my day even better. Tradingview.com.
Are we thinking about going down?
I think it's going to take the highs out. I just don't. Trading View. No, just the fucking main
Look
site.
at that. That was good.
Did you get in?
No.
Oh.
But how it rejected right there.
I'm like not even looking because I'm fucking annoyed at this shit. I should just ask. Oh, I'm going to ask ChatGPT real fast.
Order filled.
That was nice. I got that in a bunch of accounts.
Sweet.
TP is probably going to hit. TP was 44. Why can't I drag and drop TP and SL? What setting do? Anybody got questions? I feel like every day we're green, but nobody asks any questions in here. Trading paddle settings. Settings. Make sure a drag and drop order modification is enabled. Where the fuck is that at? Look at that. Fucking TP's gonna hit. Either I got enough, so. How do you use FVG, IFVG, bro? Let's say you just logged in now and no trades yet. What do? I probably wouldn't fucking trade anything. So if you look this morning, this is a prime example. So see how you got this 5 minute right here, IFVG, and we went up. I would basically, if this wasn't at the first 30 seconds of the day, I would have rebought on the retest right here to go up, and my stop would have been right here. I should have bought this anyways, to be honest with you. This was a miss by me. I would have bought the retest at 210, and my stop would have been 185. Yeah. And then one or two things you could have taken TP at 245. I thought we were going to hit 368, which if you go out to the hourly, not the hourly, the daily was this right here. But we obviously surpassed that. So that's it. Super, super clean, easy. Like there's no magic behind it. It's what I look for. Retests. Yo, last year I started buying evals using code Cove Trader. Last night I got 7th payout in less than 3 weeks. Coincidence? Dude, that's awesome if you got 7 payouts in the last couple of weeks. Are you moving out of behind Wendy's? Or is it just like a second home and you're like, I'm not moving? I would love to see the actual titles for your orb settings on chart. The actual titles. The orb settings? What do you mean? It's the these blue lines? It's the first 15 minutes and the first 60 minutes. I'm not sure, Miss Goody. I used first 15 and first 60 minutes. I'm trying to figure this out and I can't figure it out. It's really annoying me. I just realized that the IB wasn't even made. The IB high was just made. That trade wasn't even an IB high trade. I do believe we're going over 65. The odds are super high. I still can't figure this out. That might be the most annoyingest thing. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. That's so crazy to me. Why would that just go? I mean, the only difference is I'm not using AMP. I'm using Tradeify. Is that's maybe the only reason? Bro, I did my first trading view trade. Feels so good. You have indicators right there. Yeah, it's not good for scalping. That's the only thing. There you go. It just hit. Look at that shit. But this is why I tell everybody, like, the morning. So I have these two red evals, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I was just gonna. Are you ever red, bro? TPT. I had two red evals. Starving. But like you don't like when there's more trade setups in the morning than the afternoon. Like I don't need to trade anymore. Like, yeah, I could have made a lot more money, but like you could just be done for the day. You just got to get it where you need volume for the moves, and then you can kind of just now like I could be super selective the rest of the day. I don't need to sit here and look for anything special. I can just sit here and be like, if it's not really good, why take it? Why take it? See, now I'm going to switch to an eval. So I'm going to go manage my risk. I'm going to trade this eval, which I should save for just fucking a non-farm payroll because there's $600 left. I told myself I'm going to do that, by the way. The, oh, yo, to pass a 25K growth account, it's just $12.50, right? Tradeify, Tradeify.co. I think it's $12.50. Tradeify growth pass in one day. Oh, it's $1,500. Daily loss limit is $600. This is going to go higher. Oh my God. I just did something stupid. I don't understand why I can't get it to drag and drop the orders.
That is pretty weird.
Right?
And that's a necessity.
Super necessity. I would never trade on this if I couldn't do it. Why can't I drag and drop PPN XL? I just passed the new Tradeify account I won from Motorboat and Monday. Bro, I haven't even sent you the thing yet. Yo, I haven't even hit you up with the Zelle yet. You funded already? Jesus. Yo, that was quick. I got you at lunchtime, though. Straight up animal. Oh, you know why? TradingView does not, Tradeivate does not support bracket orders on TradingView. That's why.
Really?
So every time I do this,
Oh.
I think I have to have, what the fuck was that?
Well, that just hit my stop loss.
What the fuck was that? Yo. I'm sure a bunch of people just got.
So just a heads up, Trump on Truth Social, just reposting articles about that, just what he said earlier on in the week, that the deal is imminent as Iran talks restart Monday on denuclearization and Hormuz. But again, he's just reposting articles. He's not saying anything new himself, but just a heads up.
News guy here. There's not much news. Man, that's going to suck that they don't allow that. Every single time I have to click these buttons. I wonder if I can save the template so every single time has the same. I'm just looking. No more news. I think that deal is going to come, by the way. Just an FYI. Yo, he's pulling out sloppy seconds on tweets pretty much for the engagement. He's doing it for the engagement. That's exactly what he's doing. What is Truth Social going to be when Trump is done? Ain't no one using that shit. Everyone's using it for him.
I know, right?
I bet you he sells that company while he's still president. Well, I think it's public right now. So he probably sold a lot of his shares because he knows as soon as he's done being president, it ain't worth shit if you think about it. How do I save order presets? Man, this thing's fucking so duty. This is why I didn't use TradingView, but it was awesome with Next Gen because they connected to AMP.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that sucks.
Which is a real broker.
So you can't put in a target and a stop loss.
No.
Dang, I don't know. That's not good.
They won't even let me save order presets. I'm going to try something. Not that I want to be doing this, but. I got in 1 micro, and now if I go No, it doesn't even fucking do anything. Oh, I am very upset with I'm very upset with this. Not gonna lie. It kind of sucks. What's ES doing? Yeah, that's whack. I think that we make a deal and it's just going to push this market way up, personally. That's my honest opinion. Kind of makes sense. Just freaking rip it. Man, the juice on some of these options are like absurd. I mean, I wouldn't short until I wouldn't. I'm not gonna short for a while. I mean, there's just no reason to short per my personal strategy.
I'm in a little long scalp right now.
Probably gonna go back up to at least 63. Come on, push for Marie.
Almost there.
Are you copy trading?
No. I'm just going in and out, so I don't know. I need to test.
What'd you copy trade with? Replicanto?
Yeah.
What is it? Your computer that can't handle it? The Ninja?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Have you tried web-based?
No, I haven't.
Somebody told me that Ninja's on web-based.
I saw someone mention it. I haven't even looked at it.
I only say that because it would then take everything off of your
It's probably a good idea.
Yeah, leverage our cloud-based futures trading infrastructure. I want to say that, yeah, Ninja Trader Web. I was talking to Sean about it, and Sean brought it up, and I was like, I meant to tell you that Ninja Trader Web might be the one to go with.
Yeah. So far, I haven't had any problems. So I went and updated everything before I did it.
Yeah.
So maybe that took care of it.
Amar uses web-based for it. Yeah, it'll work for prop firms. It's the same thing.
Come on, get my darn target. Jesus.
Please.
Got it.
Boom. There you go. There we go.
I'm up over 1K today.
Boom.
Yep.
You feeling good?
Yes.
There
Very.
you go.
I'm conducting a psychological experiment on myself.
On you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's all.
So I still have issues taking losses, right?
Oh, really? I would think that you would have no issue taking a loss.
Oh no, I do. I white knuckle it. I totally white knuckle it. So what I've been doing is whenever I take a loss, I give myself a poker chip. And then when I get 10 poker chips, I put it on a bingo card. And then my reward is like I can paint for an hour or something like that with no guilt. So
taking a loss and not revenge trading.
Yes, a good loss.
Yeah, I mean that's the number. I would say that the two killers of everybody is probably revenge trading and sizing up, which they kind of go hand in hand. Somebody will take a loss with like 2 micros, then they'll go 4 micros, and then the next thing you know, they're in 2 minis and the account's gone, and they're like, you know, and they'll blame the market and be like, oh, that fucking price action sucked today. I blew, you know, it's like, bro, let me look at your trades. Right. And it's like, oh, you're trading 2 minis in a 25K account? Yeah. You know, like, I saw somebody online recently that, you know, like, I don't interact with very many people on X, really. I just kind of like watch. But somebody that was having problems, and then next thing you know, he's like, oh, I got an account today and I passed it within an hour. Let's go. And I'm like, awesome. I'm glad you passed the account, but let's be real. You probably have fucking overtraded that one. I mean, you shouldn't be passing the account in an hour. You know, if you're passing an account, obviously TJ passed an account today in like an hour, but like, let's be real. If I had to look at his trades, he fucking sized up way too high. You know, I know that. He probably knows that. But you know what? Some people do it. Like, I'll do it because I'm only looking to get funded. And then that's it. Right. I know what my call, like, I know I'm going to size up. I'm going to pass it 1 out of 3 accounts, probably 1 out of 2 accounts. And then I trade for real on the funded side. But there's people that aren't profitable that are out there slinging these fucking accounts. And I'm like, bro, if you're not profitable, you shouldn't be passing accounts in an hour, especially if you're trading like fucking Asia or something. But, you know.
You know what really gets me that like totally sets me off?
What?
Is when you're like in a good trade and it's getting close to your target and you get an algo candle.
No.
And it's like a reflex. I immediately jump back in and then I lose twice.
Oh no.
Yeah. And it's been really hard to break myself of it. So yeah, I'm trying to rewire my brain into thinking, you know, losses are good because really losses are is the key to success, really. Yeah,
because you're gonna lose. Taking the good losses. I was all red today when I first started. Who's the lady on my stream? That's my work wife. I don't even know who started that phrase. That's Marie. I had freaking. Oh man. I had a friend go to like, you know, like you go to like one of these fucking like holiday parties. You know what I'm talking about? And he's like, I'm at this fucking holiday party, and this guy's like joking around with my wife, being like, "Oh, it's my work wife," and he's like, "This dude's like 6'4", fucking great looking," and I'm just like, "Motherfucker!" And the whole time I got to sit there and smile. I was like, "Dude, that sucks."
That's rough.
That's super rough, bro. Yeah.
I don't know if that was like my husband and there was some like sexy girl saying, "This is my work husband."
I know. It's like,
yeah.
That's like the car ride home. You got to be like, "Yo, we can't be doing this anymore."
And you're thinking like, were you really working late?
Yeah. Yep. It's crazy. It's crazy, crazy. My friend did that. He left his wife for his work wife.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they were teachers.
Did it work out?
He's still married to this new one. Yeah.
That sucks.
Yo, what'd you miss, Jasmine? We were talking about work wives and work husbands. How, but like, you got to be able to take losses. Like, I started off, well, I think I was down $150 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, actually, I was copy trading 10 accounts. So I was down $150 in 10 accounts. And then you just got to fucking say, hey, I'm just going to stick to my system.
Yeah.
That's really what it comes down to, is just sticking to your system and not doing stupid stuff. And like, look, this is honestly, this looks bearish to me. Like, we're going to eventually drop, but I'm not going to take the short here.
You also need to trust your system.
Yeah, we got to back test it. These people are following shit without back testing. It's like, bro, what are you doing? Why would you trade anything without knowing the numbers on it? It's so easy to back test nowadays. You can use like ChatGPT is free. You can use the free version. You create your strategy in there, and then you just put it in TradingView and see what it does. Jasmine asked me to make one. I made Jasmine strategy yesterday, put it in TradingView, and ran the numbers. And now she can mess around with it on her own computer. She's got the code, and like, she can see if it's something that she wants to continue trading or not. You know, I think most don't have a system. Yeah, well, that's mistake one. I'm just going to be honest with you. Copy trading. Oh man, I'm going to go down a rabbit hole right now. The market's not really moving. Copy trading somebody that's a streamer is probably not going to be a good idea for a couple of reasons. One, you're on a 4-second delay. So if I just scalp real quick and make money, you're not going to follow that. Obviously, some of the plays, I'm like, hey man, I'm going to go long and we're going to hold this, whatever. But a lot of the people you're following aren't even fucking profitable. Like, they'll lose money and then off stream, they made it back. Like, if you can't follow their off stream trades, then you're never going to have the same profitability. And most likely they're not profitable. It's more of a show. Yeah, I would just say, man, like, you should have your own system. You should know your numbers. There's so many ways to back test. My issue is when I log in, most of the move is gone since I have work meetings in the morning. So you can do a couple things, man. You can automate it, or you can come up with a strategy that starts at 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
I saw some stat. There's like some IB play from like 2 to 3 p.m.
Huh. Really?
Yeah.
That makes sense, actually, because that's that 4-hour candle. The 2.
What's his face? Jay just wanted me to make one. It's the first 5 minutes of an hourly. All right, watch this. I'll make this fucking strategy. I'll make it right now. Wait, do not touch my trading view. I will copy and paste the code in. You understand? I'm fucking talking to Claude like it's a 2-year-old. I want you to make a trading view strategy that takes the first 5-minute candle of each hour, and then when the second 5-minute candle breaks the high, you go long, the low, you go short. Have TP and SL in points, and SL points, and have time of a trading in there. You have 400 trades on my strat? Yeah. I run about, I'm forward testing in the live market right now, like 20 something trades.
Well,
yeah. Yeah. What's up, Arrow? Work breezers. Yeah, I don't know. I found some really good shit that works in Globex and Asia that I took last night. Trying to think what else. I find some weird shit. I mean, that orb play every day I take, that's a weird trade. Nobody wants to take that though.
I feel done with orbs myself.
I'm making this. I have 3 coffee mugs on my desk. Hold on, I'm gonna clean this up.
US is to sell $110 billion of 4-week bills on August 6th, settle on August 11th.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Oh, I just put my foot through an Amazon box.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I don't even know what was in there because, all right, let's be real. My wife, I buy shit off Amazon because I'm a degenerate at night. So I got a pretty big office. So my office is here, and then there's like a 8-foot little corridor to a Murphy door. So my wife opens up the door and just drops in these Amazon boxes, and I literally just step through one. If anyone has strategies, man, I'll build this shit for you. I'm cool like that.
Have you ever just like scrolled through Temu?
I won't order off Temu, but I definitely have peeked at Temu.
It's fun.
I've ordered
DDN
massive.
collabs with NVIDIA to advance GPU-initiated data access. It's NVIDIA to advance GPU-initiated data access for next-gen AI.
Them. I know what they're doing. They're stealing people's stuff.
Correct.
Because my stuff's on there.
Order filled.
It's not me, but it's my stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But it's still fun to look.
I had a huge issue with when we were selling on Amazon and Etsy with China. But at the same time, like, this is the wick.
Ooh, I got that. That was a good one.
I think it's going higher. Right off the bat, this is interesting. Oh my God, bro. Did that not just take me out?
Order filled.
Hold on, because I'm doing 5 things at once here. All right.
All right, Robert. Dang. That is so awesome.
What did Robert do? Let me look. Done for the day. 300. Damn. Are those all at payout? Because I feel like last time I looked, you were getting close to a bunch of payouts. I should have just taken this. I should have copy traded that.
Yeah, I ordered one of my items off Temu once.
Oh, geez. Yeah.
Just because I was curious to see what the heck are they sending people. And it wasn't that bad. It was not as good as mine, but they clearly took their time making it. They sell it for like $5.95. $5.95.
Yeah, well, they're not paying. I mean, they're not. They're probably using machines, to be honest with you, because I've seen what you make, and they're using machines to do it, and yeah, it's
hard to compete with that.
Yeah, I mean, I was one of those guys that was, somebody would make a personalized, I don't know, recipe box, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I would just, I had like a fucking assembly line. Like I had one person running 5 fucking machines, popping these things in. Like,
Did you undercut them?
Yeah, I mean, I could do it cheaper than. You gotta
I mean,
think
there's
about
competition.
it. Yeah.
That's competition. But what China's doing is like way more.
So China used to ask, like, "Hey, like, can we see your listing to see, match the product?" And I would always send them somebody else's listing.
Thing. Yeah, I mean, they literally have pictures of my body parts.
Yeah, that's
in
crazy.
Their listings. Yeah, and I do the whole thing. For a while, that's like all I would do is do the the takedown notices.
Yeah.
But they just keep popping up. I finally just gave up.
Oh, I meant to,
NVIDIA's Alpha Mayo to Super Open model is now available. Again, NVIDIA says NVIDIA Alpha Mayo to Super, the Frontier Open model for robotaxis and autonomous vehicles, is now available for commercial use.
Damn, Robert. This is Robert. This is O'Reilly's Robert. Those accounts have got to be close to a payout.
That's so awesome.
He's made profits a lot of days. Yeah. I want to see if I can pass this account right here. I was looking. He sent it. Oh, what is it? It's stop loss is 300. No, we're gonna. There's something wrong with this fucking script.
It's according to Press TV in an article about 37 minutes ago. They say Iran, Oman, Strait of Hormuz corridor talks enter new phase despite US obstruction, according to informed sources speaking to Press TV.
So here's the deal. You definitely have a profitable strategy. I'll show everybody. I mean, something's not working right, but it's profitable. See how, I mean, it's definitely profitable. Last 30 days, it's up a ton. I am tweaking it, Jay.
What is that?
So Jay came up with
So
some
just in the
strategy.
article, just blaming the US for being obstructionist.
And you're testing it?
Yeah, he wanted me to make it for him.
We have posted out the Press TV article on the feed for you to read through.
Yeah. Just got to let it
Also
go.
from the article, they say that progress achieved during this period has been significant and a bilateral Iran-Oman agreement is within reach.
Oh, man, is this just going to pump?
Order filled.
I'm curious if this just pumps. This might just pump.
Order filled.
From the article, it did say that the remaining obstacle is the continued obstruction by the US and its regional compasses, according to officials speaking to Press TV.
Whatever. I only lost $24. Oh, you don't hear the news.
What was the news?
It also adds that should the interference cease, the official noted there is every reason to believe that the two states can finalize an arrangement that serves their mutual interest and upholds the principles of sovereignty and international law.
Iran's basically saying that we're going to make a deal.
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't try. Yeah, I don't know. I literally can't imagine why we would ever make a deal with them at all. Well, no, I can actually. The one thing I can imagine why we would make a deal with them is to exhaust all diplomacy before destroying them. That's my thought.
Oh, it'd be like, we give them every opportunity.
Yeah. You know, like they got all their appeals.
This is probably going to keep going up. The news. Jay, I got this strategy up. It's actually pretty legit. I got to make it ninja, though. I got to optimize it. I might just take this.
Order filled.
I'm just going to take it.
price
Just keep fucking pumping. Just keep pumping. I mean, this can easily come all the way back down in algo candles, so I'm just following this up, guys.
All right, Robert.
Also, I just wanted to get back the money I lost here. So I kind of made that back. I'm going to go to the bottom of this candle. I'm just giving it a little space. I just want it to go up to like 20. Just ride the fucking bottom of the candles. Keep going, baby. I got back my 24 bucks I lost. I'm just going to keep pushing this up because this is going to return back to this purple line at some point, and I just don't want to lose. I want to lock in the highest amount of gains possible. Every news pop also has been retraced, so whatever. Oh, all right. Now watch this.
Wow, look at that. Such a giant move over the last couple days.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you. So this is what your strategy looks like. You'd be up in the last 90 days. You'd be up $27,000 with $5,000 drawdown. Profit factor is a little weak because obviously you're taking a lot of trades. So I was going to play around with this and be like, hey, maybe you don't trade after 2 o'clock and see what that changed. Sometimes you gotta like redo this. So see, now the profit factor is 1.57. Drawdown's only 3,200. Now you're working with something fucking solid. Someone's gonna ask for this. I'm waiting. This is Jay can do whatever he wants with this. It's pretty simple, but
simple is best.
Have I ever run an automated strat on a prop firm account? No, not at all. Why would I do that? It's all manual all the time. No. Yeah, I've ran automated. They allow automated strategies. I'll give you the code for this, Jay. I'm putting it in Ninja Trader to give you the best thing. Oh, O'Reilly's. Yo, he's probably so fucking happy at O'Reilly's too. He fucking makes bank and then goes in there. It's probably like Robert's like the nicest guy at O'Reilly's probably. He's probably like giving people free shit in the back because he's like, man, I just crushed it today. Here's some free shit in the back. Meet me outside. Yeah, hell yeah, I'll install your battery.
Is he one of the guys who tells me I don't check my fluids good?
He's one of the guys that says he'll check your fluids for you. I don't know. Are you one of those that like that you go for an oil change? There's like no oil left in your car.
Yeah. Yes. I just don't think about it. I try. I just don't have it in me.
What, to just be like, it doesn't the sensor go off?
That's usually when I go in.
I changed my. So as long as you change your oil consistently, your car will run for a very long time. That's the biggest thing that's going to hurt you is the oil. So here's the deal, not Robert, Jay. I'm going to run this at lunch because I got to bring it up on this screen, but I will have some optimal settings for you, my friends. I'm going to fucking run this myself. Holy shit. I don't know what I should do though. I'm trying to keep the drawdown, like, I'm trying to find where the drawdown is like the best. Here's a 3-to-1 strategy too. Look at this shit.
3-to-1 is awesome.
This is actually more than 3-to-1. I don't know where he found this shit from, but this is one of those things that I find, to be honest with you, something like some weird, intricate, stupid thing that's just in the market. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Why did it trade at 9:30? Oh, I bet you that's a mistake. So I don't know why it trades at 9:30 though. Anyways, this is what I'm at right now. This is going to keep going higher though.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know why I bought 2 micros in a bunch of times, but so anyways, this is what I got, Jay. So per my settings, if you traded this last 90 days, you'd be up about $41,000. Your biggest drawdown is 3,500, but that's drawdown of closed trades, so it could be a little bit more than that. Obviously, that was this area right here that kind of did it for you. Now, what you would do is you would click this button, you would add an alert, and you can set an alert to alert you to buy or sell, or you can do a webhook and have it auto trade for you. I will send you the code for TradingView and Ninja, Jay. Cove, can you
Order
put that
filled.
on TradingView? This isn't mine to give out. This is Jay. If Jay wants me to put it, I'll put it in the Discord. It's up to Jay. It's not. This isn't mine to give out. I'm trying to think what would make this even better. You know what would make this better if it only took longs or shorts? I mean, this is awesome anyways, but...
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, anyone take this trade?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if the last one, how far the last one goes. I'm thinking about something. I just got stopped out. That was an awesome trade, though. Hello. Where in Discord can we find code for trading view strategy? This one's not mine, but I posted there's other ones that are posted in the indicator section. I'm just doing somebody a favor. I could do anybody a favor if they ask for a specific something to be had. I adjusted this a little bit off of this thing. Oh my God, that's what I wanted. What would you rather, Marie? A higher win rate, like a 50% win rate, or like a 40%? I guess I would rather like
Or R.
a 2R or 2.5R.
It depends on how much the risk was, if it would mess me up with the trailing drawdown and the prop firms.
Honestly, I'm just looking at it. I like the percent profitable. It goes from 41% to almost 50, so I don't have to sit around. It's like literally, it's like 800 less than money. But I thought of this.
I mean, a smooth equity curve is nice.
Yeah.
And you have less losing streaks.
I hate losing streaks.
Yeah.
That's really what gets me is with these strategies, the fucking losing streaks.
Yeah, those are rough. Though losing streaks aren't too bad when you have a small loss.
Yeah, when you're taking like 10 points or something.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to run this in the Ninja thing to see what I really get. See, like I just took the data over a year. It's a little bit different, but it's so shitty at that point. Yeah, I'm just like, do you have a video on how we can add these indicators trading view? Yeah, I did a video about it. Oh my God, here it is. I'll show you the video. If you ever need help, I could show you. I can walk you through it in the Discord if you need help. But if you go to my channel, it is. This is one. I actually make a profitable strategy in 10 minutes. Right in front of you. A strategy I've never made before in 10 minutes in this video. And then here's one. Yeah. I use crosstrade.io to webhook it. This has been an impressive out the gate. I can tell you that. I think we're just going to keep going up. Does that sound crazy?
Not at all. Let's see on the hourly what we got. We got a pivot at 29,793 or so, 795.
I got you a roast beef wrap. It's in the fridge for lunch.
Okay, thank you.
I'm going to work out.
Okay. Oh, man. I'm tired. Tired of making money.
Yeah. Too much winning.
Too much winning, everybody. Is everybody tired? Per dia, you can do it with My Funded Futures. You can do it with. You got to look. You see, a lot of them say they don't want bot trading. Bot trading is like a high frequency type trading. Like if you're trading one trade a day or 3 trades a day, it's probably going to go unnoticed, but who knows? I think you can do it with Traders Launch. I don't really know. You got to look at the FAQs. I'll tell you what, if you're not using fucking Claude, I feel like you're just going behind. You'd be awesome at this shit, Marie.
Yeah, I still have not set that up. I really want to.
You can do it for free you can just do, if you want to just test it for free, you can use ChatGPT free version. That's how I made my first couple.
Okay.
US 52-week bill auction coming through now with a high yield of 3.88%, bid cover of 3.62. The US selling $52 billion of 52-week bills. the US allots awards at 12.98% or bids at high.
Oh, I don't leave it out to the public. If people find stuff, they like it. Just they'll keep boosting it and whatnot. Man, today's been freaking another straight banger. Working these pros up. I gotta shut my Ninja off actually and restart it. That one button has saved me a lot.
Good.
That one button you showed me about, if I found out about it one day earlier, I'd be up. I was up like 500 and something bucks in those accounts. I would have made, but that button has saved me so much on Ninja Trader. It's crazy. I'm going to have to flip this probably. This is going to shut me off. Oh, no. Okay, cool. All right. Now we're going to do a test here. See, I don't ever put anything in the open environment unless I'm testing this shit. I see an error with this, by the way. There we go. I don't even know what to look for now. I mean, honestly, I'd like to see us pull back. We've hit all my TPs that I thought we would hit. But hey, Cove, what was the best stop loss and gain you found? I haven't found anything. I don't think you know how this works, Austin. First, you create a strategy. You back test it. Great, cool. You got to forward test it. The back test could be completely wrong. The back test could be it's completely fucked, and no one knows for real. And now what happens is you got to create like 3 versions of this with different TPs and put it in the live environment for like 2-3 weeks to see if it's real. I wouldn't do anything. I wouldn't touch this. This is a do not touch. You know how many times something looked good and then it sucks? I could show you a ton. Everybody, this isn't a get rich, like, hey, make this and it's like, you got to forward test this thing in the live environment. If you
really
just
like pre-screening.
Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Yo, if you're just looking for a free version, use ChatGPT web-based. You're gonna get the most usage out of a free version that way. You're gonna have to copy and paste the shit over, but it's the best way to do it. Yo, Apex 5-pack is the forward testing.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Been there, bro. A lot, Schulster. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. It's off my screen already. I don't know. I was looking at like 20 points, 20, 25. I've exited that already. I think it was like 20, 25. When you zoom out to 365 days, you're going to see an issue with anything else. Fuck,
I just
this
got
thing's
that.
going. This thing's going. Jesus.
Are
they making the announcement? The remaining obstacle in talks is the continued obstruction by the United States and its regional accomplices. Yeah, they want us to do nothing is what they want us to do. Iran.
Uh-huh.
Iran weighs allowing Europe to clear mines in the Strait of Hormuz.
I don't get why Iran's not clearing mines. Why is Europe clearing mines? Kind of seems
Further
like
detail into this here then. Iran is considering allowing European nations to remove mines from the Strait of Hormuz, potential climb down that could form part of a deal to normalize shipping in the waterway.
Order filled.
Peace negotiations with the US. It's in continued movement towards the downside here off the back of that headline. Again, Iran weighs allowing Europe to clear mines in the Strait of Hormuz.
I don't know why I'm doing 2 fucking micros in here.
So further from this here then, in public, Iran has repeatedly said it won't allow foreign nations to join demining efforts in the critical point, a transit point for oil and LNG. But in private meetings in recent weeks, Tehran has softened that stance, according to diplomats familiar with the matter.
Why are they not demining it though?
No comments from the Iranians as of yet.
They know where, I mean, you'd assume that these guys are tracking where the fucking mines are, right? I don't understand why they're not. What's one of these? Cove was that? Yeah. It's so like beginning stages, Jed. It's so beginning stages. I still have to run it through Ninja Trader. I haven't even done that yet. Marie is a sadist.
What? Why do you say that?
Oh. Claude is probably the more expensive of the ones, but I will be honest, it hooks up to my desktop and allows it to go through my files. So I like Claude the best, but the web-based ones will give you more usage for free than any of the other ones. Oh yeah, look, I froze my stream when I was red. Was that when I was really red? Oh yeah, it was 100. I was down 155. That sucked though. I did that pre-market. If I didn't do that shit pre-market, oh man. Or I just held. Should have just held. There's like no reason to short at this point, to be honest with you. Come on, man. I'm just telling you, Jay, there's a lot of times that these spin off like good back tests and it absolutely sucks. So I'm putting it through my normal shit.
Seeing further decline in oil prices extend their losses after report says Iran is considering allowing Europe to clear mines in
Order
Strait of
filled.
Hormuz.
I mean, that's a big thing if they're clearing the mines. Oh man. How's everybody's day going? I'm just curious, what'd you use the back test? I went back 365 days. Right now, you would have lost money last year, just an FYI. So before somebody thinks it's the magic, whatever, it would have lost money last year. You would have got your dick kicked in. So that's kind of why I want to see something else.
Order filled.
Cattle fucked you? I stopped with cattle. How bad? What did cattle do at open?
Traders no longer price 25 basis points of Bank of England rate hikes this year.
What did cattle do? Oh, it opened down. Oh, I guess you chased down and it just freaking went up. Cattle didn't do anything today. That's kind of a whack open. Yo, I'll tell you one thing. I use Claude so much, I'm on the 200 a month plan.
Hey, if the strategies pay off.
Oh, I'm using it for freaking everything you can
Really?
think of. Yeah, I'm using it to I'm using it to the shit. I mean, not that it uses a lot of tokens, but it's putting the GEX levels, like people that are paying for those gamma levels. It's all free. It's all free in the Discord. So you don't have to pay for anybody's dumbass AI levels or anything like that. It's all free posted in the Discord every day. I'm running stock and option strategies on it all day long. I'm doing a lot of the future shit on it. It's doing a lot of analysis. I've used it for I use it for some work shit. I'm going to use it for real estate shit to like scan markets and things like that. I was hitting the tokens. I was hitting the cap on it for $100, and I was like, they told me not to use it for 7 hours or something. I was like, get the fuck out of here.
Oh, that's annoying.
Yeah, I was like, trying to think what else I used it for. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I don't know. I just use it constantly. I use ChatGPT on my phone for everything. Now I downloaded Grok for free to make those fucking videos.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Thanks, Jay. Now I'm in on these videos. I got the one that you saw. I got another one. I got one. I can't even put it out here. It's too mean to people. Not to people. Yeah. I was like, I can't. I'm gonna get too much backlash for the one that. Bad enough I made the hedging one. You passed 250Ks on the same day. I would probably not trade Topstep, but they discontinued those 250Ks. If they weren't $500 fucking dollars, I would have probably got one of those. I was thinking about it this morning, but I want somebody else to come out with that plan. Put it out. They need it. It's great. What up, Angia? So glad I didn't. So I tried the same strategy that I use on what is it called? I tried the same strategy I use on the orb on the IB, and it is not nearly as good. Look at Jip. Jip made some fucking cash. Man, I am starving. I mean, this is pretty much how I'm going to finish the morning stream at. I feel like it's been a pretty good day. If you were on here, these were all taken live and free. If you weren't on here, can't help you. It's another good day. These are my 2 red accounts. I always have, well, I mean, they're Apex evals. Remember, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. I'm going through my email in about 10 minutes. Can we trade seeing YouTube? What do you mean? Just play it on screen share here, right here. What do you want, John? What do you want me to play? Is that legal on prop? I don't actually know what you're talking about. Go Barbie. Not exactly sure what you mean. Trading. Oh, you can trade on prop by seeing I'm live. Yeah. Nobody's gonna do anything to you. You know what happens? The prop firm gives you a spanking. I don't know, man. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Man, this thing is just I mean, I wouldn't long this into that, but it's showing that there's no reason to short. If you shorted any of this, I don't know, man. Just flick your beanbag. Tell yourself not to short on a day like today.
Flick your beanbag.
Yeah, you should flip your beanbag and tell yourself not to short on a day like today.
That's a good expression.
Yeah.
Because we know what a flat beanbag is like. It just sucks. You gotta flip it and fluff it up.
I'm up 1,000 in my personal account. I'm having a good fucking day. You got Shopify earnings tomorrow for anyone that's interested. You got AMD. Oh, that's why I never long into a whole number. Look at that shit. It basically almost hit it.
Wow.
And then just dropped 20 something points. That's why, like, I just don't. Jay. Hims is looking good. Yeah, all this shit's gonna.
No, he does.
No, I knew that. I was just letting it go, Sean. I was letting it go. Yeah. She doesn't know.
No,
Yeah.
I didn't.
That's why I was just letting it go. That's like a lot of people, like when you start saying something and it's like over their head, I just can't explain it. It's funny if somebody else puts it in the chat like that. Yo, what up, Massive? Yeah, Marie, that's what I was talking about. Flick your nutsack. If you were shorting today, you should flick your nutsack and say, I will not short again in a market like this. Oh, man. You gotta punish yourself. I mean, dude, it's so like. Yo, Sean. Freaking hysterical. Shake my head. I'm sure somebody made some short scalps, but I mean, let's be real. There is not one short setup where you're like, yeah, this is where I'm gonna dig in and create a nice short. If anything, it would have been right around here to go back to here and then bounce up, but it didn't even really do anything. Everybody have fun today? Tell me you had fun. Somebody, tell me you had some fun. So here's the deal. We had 100 people on the stream in the afternoon. We'll do a double giveaway. We are doing Trader's launch giveaway today. Yeah. Just I don't know, it's just pretty freaking good. We did it with another day.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Oh, man. What are you eating for lunch? Anything good?
No. Just probably the usual.
Yeah, that's what I'm probably just the usual.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
That strat talk got me thinking. It should get a lot of people thinking, because if you're not thinking and if you're not creating new things and like fine tuning, you're kind of missing out. Put it like this, Ace. If I'm doing it every day and creating new ideas and things to test in the market, and I'm profitable, should you be doing it? Probably the right thing. You should probably know your numbers and everything else. Like I'm not trying to be like anything. I'm just being honest with you guys. You should kind of know, your shit and everything if you're trading it, Oh, my account just went over 1,065. Man, this was good. Bro, I'm trying to figure out anything simple that others will overlook. Dude, simple is the best. There's so many little simple things. It's crazy. But this is how we finished. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the stream, use code Cove Trader. I'll be back 2 p.m. to 4:30. We'll do a Trader's Launch giveaway. If you have any questions, comments, come to the Discord and ask. It's free. I'm going to work on this shit for Jay and see if I can dig some stuff up. And that's pretty much it.
Later.
All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy it. Remember, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Somebody's going to do something stupid at lunch. Just remember I said so. All right. I'm out. I'll see you in 2 hours.